Are you okay? Oh, God, you're not hurt, are you?
Jesus, you sound like my mother.
Listen, if you want to cry, you go ahead and cry. Cry with you.
Get back out there and kick some ass!
Why are you yelling at me? All I did was care.